Hey guys, so I don't know if you guys already know this, but I'm actually now sponsored by Kanyon Cubes, so that's really exciting. And so Kanyon sent me a package, and okay, as usual, I have no idea what's in it, but there's like a lot of these like stickers, on the sides. So I'm very excited to get into this and start our official partnership. Um, yeah, so let's open this. Oops. I don't wanna, okay, let me move this out of the way a little bit. Whoa, that's a lot of things. Oops. A lot of things in there. I see some FTOs, so that's always exciting. What the? No way. Wait, how did he know? Okay, wait, hold on. What the? Okay, this is crazy. Oh my god, Kanyon, you always surprise me so much. Oh my god, okay, right. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Okay. So, firstly, there's a t-shirt. Oh, a t-shirt. Oh my goodness. Wow. I didn't know you had a t-shirt. Holy crap. Yeah, so I guess I'll have to, let's see. Yeah, so, I don't know, it's hard to show. Okay, maybe I'll move this a bit out of the way. Okay, so this is a t-shirt. It's Kanyon Cubes t-shirt. I'll probably be wearing this at comps, to rep his, the sponsorship I have. And yeah, so it has FTO, square one, like 2 to 4. Oh, this is really nice. I really like this. Yeah, like it's like a nice blue color, so that's really nice. In fact, I'll probably wear it today, to see how it fits. Okay, next, there's a bunch of these envelopes. I'm guessing there's like stickers in them, but let's see what we have inside. Oh my god. Whoa. He already sent me the... Oh my god. Bro, that's crazy. Yeah, so okay. Well, so why do I have these stickers, right? First of all, look at the colors, so beautiful. So nice. And that's because he actually made a bunch of... Well, he made a set of 8 force cubes where you have the normal FTO, and you have to you painstakingly remove all the caps, separate them, put them back together so that the entire FTO is a single color. So obviously, the diansheng only sells them in the stickerless variety, either primary plastic internals or black internals. But some people want it to be stickered, I guess, because maybe it helps with recognition. People are colorblind. There's a lot of reasons why you might want that. And so he sent me the green one, actually, because I requested that, and green is my favorite color. So yeah, that's really nice. Let's just see how this is. I can't believe I'm now known over a force cube, but yeah, obviously I'm gonna sticker it the same color as this with the same shades, so that recognition is like exactly the same. And I don't know, maybe it'll be my main. We'll see. Right, and we'll see. Okay. Yeah, let's open it through here. How did he even wrap it? What the heck? That's like what the cubicle does. Wait, this is crazy. Okay. Can't wait. Okay, this is insane, actually. I can't believe I'm getting this. Wow, look at that. Okay, I really like this because it reminds me of like, first of all, you know how like the internals of the, like, for example, let me show you. Here's my currently disassembled version 1 of the cubicle LBL kit, actually, but like even before the mass-produced version. Obviously, the plastic they use is green, so this like gives off like prototype vibes, which is pretty cool, Wow, look at that! I can't imagine how much time it's going to have taken. Well, this turned really nice. Wow, it's like a dodo octahedron, I guess. Really cool. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to sticker this as soon as I'm able to. And I'm probably going to use this shade of gray because, look how similar that is, right? That's really, really nice. Oh, man, this is crazy. Okay. Next, what do we have in the rest of these? Oh, welcome. Okay. Oh my god, I love all these stickers. These use the FTO for WCA. Various die cut stickers. Die cut? What's die cut? Wait, I'm curious in this. Oops. Okay. What is die cut? Oh my god. Look at that. I could put this everywhere on all my stuff. Volcano. His logo. Oh my god, these are so nice. Look how... Wow. These are so high quality. Holy crap. Oh, and of course, this diansheng. Or not the diansheng. I guess it doesn't have to be diansheng, but an FTO at the very least. I'll throw these in here for now. I think I just... Okay, yeah. And then finally, this is probably like a welcome message, like welcome to the team, welcome to the club. So next, yeah, this is the second thing I've been sponsored by. So, and the first time I've been sponsored, it was like back in like 2017. So yeah, it's been quite a while. I never thought it'd be sponsored again, but you know, this thing came into the picture and really changed everything for me. So, yeah, that maybe like if you guys are ever wondering, why do I talk about FTO so much? Like especially on CF or like other forums, like I talk about FTO like everywhere, right? And that's just because it really got me. Like I was at a point in cubing where I just wasn't really happy with all that I've done, the progress. Obviously, the friends I've made, like I always cherish them, but just like, I was always like a speed solver, right? I was like a competitor. I was competitive, but then I was getting more and more nemesis. It was just getting very sad. But then I got into FTO, and that completely changed my life, I would say. Like, it rejuvenated my love for cubing, and it just has done so much for my mental health and, all that. It got me through so much. So, like, that's why it means so much to me, that like, this event, right? And it always will. I'll always fight for its right to be in the WCA event list and all that. But, okay, that's enough of the sentimentalities. Let's get to the letter. Yeah, so hi Chris, welcome to the Kanyon Cubes plus... Oh, Kanyon Cubes team. Oh, yeah. I am super excited for all that's to come. I hope you enjoy the welcome package with a few things I picked out from Kanyon. Yeah, so, oh my god, I love Kanyon. I really want to meet you in person one day. Yeah, so I hopefully I, just keep, like, we keep continuing this partnership, and I like try my best. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't know if I should say it's now at the end. Oh yeah, I guess I'll save it for the end. But yeah, so this is really nice. I don't know who else has a green one. I know Ed Dibley got like the gray one, and like some other people who got them. But yeah, okay. So what else do we have? Oh, okay. I am so excited about this. So I've been saying that I've always wanted a mirror blocks. I was waiting for the diansheng one, to be honest, but because I know they'll like probably send me one as well when they come out with it. But I know Chi came out with one, and I never went out of my way to buy the Gan one, because I mean, like, that's like, it was a bit expensive. Like I had like a Yushin one. It was like perfectly fine. I mean, it's quite old, but like it's not like I was gonna be like a like sub 20 at mirror blocks. Oh, I want to save this. Where should I put this? I should put it on my phone case, shouldn't I? Because it's so important to me. But actually, no. I don't know where I should put this. I guess for now I'll leave it here. Yeah. This is literally the one puzzle besides the FTO and the big cubes that I've always wanted. It's like a decent modern mirror blocks, and obviously the one that's not this colored one, because that defeats the whole purpose. Let's see. Exciting. I do want to get better at mirror blocks, because it's definitely one of the most popular non-WC events that they have in like speed solving weekly and all that stuff. How do I open it? The heck is that? Oh, maybe what? Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, yeah, duh. So this here still. Okay, there. Oh, oops. Oh my god, I can't open puzzle. Okay, yeah. So here's a puzzle. See how this turns. Whoa, it's magnetic? Oh, of course it's magnetic. It's Chi. But wow, it's really nice. I don't know how this compares with the GAN. I'll have to see how Braden Adams, I think. Oh no, sorry, not Braden Adams. Braden Richards. He's like the best at it right now, and yeah. Oh my god, I'm really slow at this. Like, I can only do LBL, layer by layer, and then for the last layer, I always do like well, I try my best to do OLPLO, but like I messed up so often, so it ends up being like a 4 look or 5 look or something. I do want to get a little better at this, you know, at least sub 30. So if I attempt like I did like this non-WCA event relay thing a while back with Sam, but like if I do that again with other people, I'd want to carry, you know, for especially kill me, because I've gotten a lot better at that. FTO, mirror, what else did I get better at? I think ready I got a lot better at. Yeah, but yeah, this one was I was always slow at this. So okay, this feels really nice. Oh my goodness, it's like actually speed solvable. The Yushin one was, oh my god. I mean, I must have gotten that 2017 or 2018, but it's so bad. Okay. I always solve with this short side first, and then I do the rest. So I like make this my first layer always. The tiles on this, really nice as well. Oh my god. I can't, you know, cheese is actually coming out with the FTO as well. If it's like similar in quality to this and it doesn't pop, oh my god, that must be really nice. But obviously Diane is the one everyone's really looking out for. I can't wait for the Diane. But yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, but okay, the thing I'm wondering is, how did Kanyon know? Like, did they just send this to me coincidentally? Or like, did he read my messages about how I always wanted mirror blocks? Like, how did he know that? Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, wow, that's crazy. I don't know. I'll have to ask him, but this is literally the one puzzle I wanted. Wow. Like, I can't wait to. Yeah, I mean, I guess I'll have to speed solve this. It's not as good. It's not gonna be as fun as FTO, obviously, but you know, I want to give this a shot. Like, to see what Braden Adams is. Sorry, I keep saying Braden Adams. Braden Richards. To see what he's cooking about this puzzle. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, it's just foam. Oh, what the heck? Wait a minute. Wait, what the? He sent me the LBL kit already. What? What? How did he get this? With the LBL? Huh, interesting. Yeah, no, he's like very flexible. Like other companies wouldn't even dream of doing this, but I mean, he's like, you know, he knows this is how you make the diansheng the best. So, you know, he knows. He knows what's up. What should I put this on? So here's the primary one that diansheng gave me. But like, you know, I mean, it's okay. But why would I want to put it on a puzzle that you know, everyone already has? When I can put it on this puzzle that no one has. Oh, maybe a couple other people have. And make this like my main, the stickered. Like, imagine, you know, everyone else has like a puzzle. Like, you go to compete, everyone has a puzzle that looks exactly the same, like that. And then I pull up with this, and it's like, whoa, and it's like the best that they've ever felt and all that. So, yeah, I don't know, yeah. I don't want to go back to stickered puzzles, to be honest. It is a pain. They do chip off, it's like, but I know I won't main this for that long. You know what I mean? Like, we know the Diane is gonna come out. We know the Chi is gonna come out, and Diane is gonna be. I mean, large. He's like fawning over it. Like, it's like way better than this puzzle. And then diansheng has also come with a V2, hopefully soon. So, in any case, I'll have to figure out what I want to use this on. But hopefully it's soon, and I post more solves on it. So there's that. Okay. Next. Oh my God! There's a cap. Wow. You know, I've always wanted a little hat. Because it's really sunny out right now, and yeah, I'm gonna wear this today. But what the heck? I'm gonna like completely rep all the merch that he sent me. So, really nice hat. Next we have a mini mat, and then we have another sticker. Oh my god, I want to save this sticker. Maybe I'll put it here as well. What is this? Mat. Ooh, a Halloween themed one. It's a little spooky. It's got his logo. That's really cool. You know, I'll put this in my office. I now have like an office. Maybe I'll do a little office tour. I'll get permission from my department if we're allowed to do that. But yeah, I have like pictures there. Like it's really nice. Like I have like my awards there to keep me motivated to continue my PhD. So I'll like probably put this there as well. We also have business card. That's new, I think. Some more logo stickers, and now that they're thinking about removing the requirement of logos for 3-blind and 5-blind, I'm gonna put this on all my 3x3s just straight up, right? Like, and like some of the other logos as well. And I think these are more logos, FTO logos, small stickers. What? Oh, probably for FTO, because FTO really requires tiny stickers. Oh yeah, I was trying to figure out like what is this scramble for? It's just pyramid scramble, so. Yeah. And a couple more stickers, so we're not done yet. Holy shit, he really delivered on the stickers. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess it's coming up to Halloween, so. Oh yeah, oh my god, like I think I'm so glad that I'm being sponsored by Kanyon. Like, you know, you think the cubicles would be sending all these things, like this like Speed Cube Shop. You know, when I'm sponsored by Speed Shop, I can tell that they didn't do these little random like package sends. Like, oh my god, Canyon's so fun to work with. Like, so yeah, so as you know, because I'm sponsored, I do have my own code now. It's just CC, you know, like similar to how other people do it. You know, stands for Chris Choi. So if you type CC for the discount code, I believe you'll get 5% off on your order. You know, like the usual spiel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Very, very excited for you know, for the future of our continued, you know, work and all these puzzles that he sent. I'm really curious about this. I don't know if I mentioned anywhere he was on, but if it was completely coincidental or something. But yeah, I'm very curious how he knew about this. And of course, this thing, I'm so happy about this. I'll like sticker this. It's a novelty. You know, I love having different things for my puzzles. Just doing a final look through, make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, wow. Very happy with this package. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys very soon.